Understanding Wedding Bell Blues. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases, focusing on the expression, wedding bell blues. This phrase has a rich history and a meaning that extends beyond its literal words. Whether you're learning English or just love exploring the language, this video will uncover the layers behind this intriguing expression. The term, wedding bell blues, refers to the feelings of sadness or depression that someone might experience related to weddings. This could be because they desire to be married and are not, because they are nostalgic or regretful about their own wedding, or due to the complexities and stresses involved in marital preparations. It's important to note that despite the mention of wedding bells, which traditionally symbolize joy and celebration, the focus here is on the contrasting emotions of blues or sadness. Interestingly, the phrase was popularized by a song titled Wedding Bell Blues, released in 1966 by The Fifth Dimension. The song expresses the longing and frustration of a woman wishing for her partner to propose to her. It highlights how the phrase is often used in the context of longing for marriage or the complexities around the institution of marriage. The popularity of the song has embedded the phrase into English language and culture, giving it a nuanced meaning beyond its surface level. To understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. Ever since her sister got married, she's been going through a case of wedding bell blues. Planning their wedding was so stressful. They both felt the wedding bell blues long before the big day. These examples show that the phrase can be used to describe both the longing to be married and the stress or sadness associated with wedding preparations. I hope this exploration of wedding bell blues has been enlightening and adds a new expression to your English language toolkit. Remember, idioms like this one add color and depth to our conversations, allowing us to express complex emotions and situations succinctly. Thank you for watching, and happy learning! Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English language learning content. See you in the next video.